How long will it take to sell my home? We're going to dive deep into this topic so you can be prepared for your next move. One of the top questions I get asked as a real estate professional is the following: how long will it take to sell my home? This question is loaded and there are a lot of different answers, but we're going to cut back the fat and get you an answer today. The home sale is truly going to depend on these three pillars. Number one, the condition of the property, which can play a huge role in the time it takes to sell the property. If your home is clean, inviting, that provides a home feeling, you'll find your home selling quickly. On the flip side, if you have a home that has poop on the floor, contradictory propaganda, or absolutely smells, it may take a lot more time to get that sold. Number two, the price of the property. Generally, we find whatever an agent suggests as the recommended price, the seller tries to add an additional $20,000 on top of that. I understand getting your home sold for max dollar is very important. However, when considering selling quickly, you may want to trust the professional. Pricing the home above the suggested price will ultimately result in the home sitting on the market for a longer period of time. Consider the other homes in the area that are a competition against your home sale. I know your decorating is better, but your home doesn't come with the decorations, my friend. Number three, exposure. This will entirely depend on the real estate professional's marketing plan. Are they posting on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, conducting open houses, blasting their listing to their friends and family, door knocking, or even sending ringless voicemails? You name it. The exposure is ultimately up to the agent, and quite frankly, that's what you're paying for. Be sure to ask any agent for their marketing plan and be more curious on the how. We've often found many agents say, I post on Facebook. However, they aren't actually paying any money, and realistically, that post is only being shared to 10 to 15 people. That's not marketing. A good strategy coupled with pricing and condition can give you the confidence that your home will sell quickly in any market. The current market here in Utah should take about 30 to 45 days to go under contract, assuming that the 3 points above are all aligned. We recently put a home under contract the same day with multiple showings. Your home will sell, but it will sell even faster when you have an expert who can market your home and get you through the process with ease. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe.